AutomotiveTouchUp.com offers a complete line of touch-up paints, both in spray cans, bottles, and paint pens. They also provide accessories including cloth, sandpaper, sanding block, and a trigger for the spray cans if that's what you're using. Each of the Automotive Touch-Up products uses a three-step process, including a primer, an undercoat or a base coat, and a clear coat. Even the paint pen and the brush and bottle forms of the touch-up paint use the same format. And the great thing about that is with the clear coat, you get a finish that looks just like the finish that came on your vehicle originally. If you take your time and do good prep work, you can have a beautiful finish on your vehicle. One of the great things about AutomotiveTouchUp.com are their instructions. They've got great instructions online and several videos that show you how to do the painting process. They also offer a bunch of other products for touching up your vehicle, including repairing plastic bumpers. They show you how to feather in paint. So we had some big repairs on our JK, as you can see in the video. After 8 years of wheeling, it's no surprise that we had some issues. We actually did this work last summer when it was a little bit warmer. So we've been using this vehicle ever since in some pretty nasty weather conditions, and also wheeling pretty hard on some black diamond trails. The paint's held up great, which is one of the reasons we wanted to wait to do this video so we could say, hey, stuff works awesome. It's lasted well, and it looks just as good as the original.